Am I the asshole for charging my friend for an initially free wedding cake after she told me it doesn't count as a wedding gift? I, 34 female, have a friend, who I'll call Mary, 33 female, who is getting married in 2 weeks. She and I have been friends for several years, and I was excited when she asked me if I can make her cake. I don't normally do cakes anymore for people outside of family and friends, as I am currently pregnant, have a 1-year-old, and am currently pursuing another master's degree in education administration so I can be a school principal because teaching is dead end without an admin license, unfortunately. At the time when she asked, I was also teaching full-time and finishing up a different master's program. I agreed to make this cake over a year ago. I told Mary when she offered to pay that I would do it for free as my wedding gift to her. I distinctly said wedding gift. She accepted and we started planning the design. Mary wanted a 4-tier cake with each tier a different flavor: white, chocolate, yellow, and lemon, and several sugar flowers and fondant decorations, as well as 3 different flavored buttercreams. It was a lot, but since she was having an August wedding, I had time, because school would be out for the summer, and I was actually taking a year off since finding out I was pregnant a few months ago. Saturday, I went to Mary's bachelorette party. The party itself was fine. Nothing remarkable happened. I couldn't drink, but everyone had fun. One of Mary's bridesmaids asked what we were all getting her for her wedding. I said I was making the cake for free. The bridesmaids and the other girl said that was a good gift. Cake is expensive, and they wished they had gotten one for free. That's it. Then I heard nothing else about it until today. Mary texted me and asked why I wasn't getting her a wedding gift. I told her I was and that it was the cake, and reminded her that the cake was free. She said that wasn't a gift, and it's a favor. I told her it's a gift, and that she can't tell me what I gift her. I then asked why she's mentioning it, and she said the bridesmaids I spoke to on Saturday told her that she was so lucky to get a cake for free. She agreed, but then was upset when the bridesmaids said, "That's a good gift." I asked her if her own bridesmaids think it's a good gift was the problem, and she said it's not up to the bridesmaids to tell her what her gifts are. I told her that this is her gift. She said that a gift needs to be something she can use in her marriage, not just a cake for the wedding. I told her with me going to school and not working right now, but this is a major expense that I am taking on by doing it for free. And she said that it wasn't her problem, and that a real friend would do both. I responded with, "Fine, I'll get back to you," and she thanked me for understanding. About 30 minutes later, I sent her a bill for the cake. The bill was $700 with a deposit of $350 due by this Friday, and the rest 24 hours before the event start time. She asked me what that was for, and I told her since it's not a gift, she needs to pay for it. She told me she couldn't afford it, and I told her I didn't care, that this is what business looks like. I did promise to get her a gift off her registry, though. She told me no cake is worth $700, but in the bill breakdown, I pointed out it was coming from ingredients to transportation, with her venue being 45 minutes away. Additional labor, my husband helps me deliver, so he's getting paid too. Last minute booking, time, and the size of the cake, on top of the intricate decoration she wanted. She said she shouldn't be charged for anything since I promised to do it for free, and that it's too late to find another baker. I said, that sounds an awful lot like not my problem, because it isn't. She then asked if I could just do the cake for free and forget the gift. I said no. This is the new deal, and I have not responded to her text since. She and her fiancé were venting in a group message with the wedding party that I'm not in. One of the bridesmaids, who is a mutual friend, asked me what happened after telling me what was being said in the group text, and I sent her the messages of our exchange, and now apparently the bridal party is now divided. Some are saying I should go back and do the cake for free like I originally promised, while others are telling Mary she was wrong, and apparently it's becoming a huge ordeal. Her fiancé is now mad at both of us for being petty and ridiculous. My husband is team Mary can suck an egg. He doesn't think I should do the cake or get the gift, but he told me to remember this could cost me a friendship, and he'd support me either way. But he thinks I should stand my ground in this and not let Mary push me around. However, my husband also doesn't really like Mary for unrelated reasons, so he may be biased. Am I the asshole for charging my friend for the cake and refusing to do it for free after she got mad at me?